Here you go, guys. Hubs and Wife Travels is going to bring you something you're never going to see anywhere else on YouTube. This is Tower 1, Unit 2309 of the Majestic Resort in Panama City. We got a key code, that way you don't have to actually keep up with a card. This is a studio. So as soon as you walk in the door, you have the bathroom. Every condo here has a jetted tub. It's a good sized bathroom for what some people would consider a small condo. When you walk into the main room, you have the bed and a breathtaking view. So there's that hallway we just walked down. They do a really good job of making it feel spacious. It's got a really awesome European style kitchen. I love that everything matches. You have an apartment sized fridge. You can fit a good bit of stuff in here. This was new for us. It's a washer dryer combo. We had some reservations about it, but it works really well. You just have to figure the settings out. They give you a convection microwave. Really awesome induction cooktop if you've never used one before. Good sized sink, and it has a dishwasher. You've got your Keurig. You've got these really cool power things that come up out of the cabinet. I'll show you that right here. So they do a really good job. Ooh, they're a little tight. They do a really good job of making the most of the space. Good king size bed, pretty comfy chairs, nice TV mounted up in the corner. And this is what everybody pays for. This door is heavy, not gonna deny it. You walk out here, you got the hubs right there. You get a table and 2 chairs on this side. You get 2 super comfy loungers on that side. And then you get your view of the Gulf of Mexico. Time for that cheesy line. If you want to see more videos from Hubs and Wife Travels, hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you later.